Hello my dear friends, welcome to Oliver's channel. In this video we are going to find the value of the expression 10 divided by 2 minus 2 times 10. Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question looks super simple, but 92% of people actually got it wrong. Let's break it down step by step together. In most cases, people start solving this question by first doing 10 divided by 2. And they rewrite this expression as 5 minus 2 times 10. In the next step, they go for 5 minus 2 and replace it with 3 times 10. Finally, they get the answer 30. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But it's not the correct answer. Now let me show you the correct way to solve this expression. As you can see in the image, we have a division sign followed by a subtraction and then a multiplication. To solve this correctly, we need to follow the order of operations exactly as stated in the PEMDAS rule and perform the operations from top to bottom in order. So, first we focus on multiplication and division because they have a higher priority than subtraction. Okay, it's very important to remember that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is start from the left side of the equation and move up step by step toward the right. So, we divide 10 by 2 and rewrite this expression as 5 minus 2 times 10. In the next step, we do the multiplication between 2 and 10 and replace it with 5 minus 20. Finally, we move to the subtraction and the answer becomes negative 15. Therefore, option B is the correct answer to this question. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, subscribe to the channel.